here in Indaba 2025, and we're hoping to get some great exposure with international buyers and agents.
We are happy to be here because we get to communicate with other tour operators and other businesses.
We are thankful to KwaZulu-Natal Tourism and Film Commission for affording us this opportunity so that we can showcase what we offer to the world.
Yeah, it seems like there's quite a buzz, so I hope the next couple of days are very exciting for everyone.
We extend a warm welcome to all our guests as we celebrate and officially announce Tourism Investment Forum Africa 2025.